citizens of Gotham, I come before you today with a great faith that each and every one of you made the right choice this election day. I will clean up these streets, starting with my war on crime lord Rupert Thorne. There will be no more Batman vigilantes fighting our battles for us. We owe this to our children, that they do not grow up in a world with drugs on every street and men in bat costumes. We can do this together. The Batman has crippled me. So that's why my first action is to set up a special task force assigned to capturing dead or alive the Batman, who murders when he pleases, beats innocent men to a pulp, and destroys millions of dollars of corporate property. When you see the Batman, who do you see him with? Criminals! When you see me, who am I with? The police! Because I am helping them. I will give Gotham wings, and we will rise above the tyranny and evil that has so consumed our city. We are the masters of our own fate.
How are you feeling, Batman? You look unwell. I'm afraid that dose won't wear off for another 2 hours or so now. As much as I'd like to stay here and evaluate your condition, I'm afraid me and Joker have an appointment that we must see through. In the meantime, I recommend you get plenty of rest. And I'm so sorry. I'm all out of lollipops.
He may not have a brain in that sack of his, but he sure has a funny bone.
I'll take it from here, boys. Surprised to see me, Batman? Our last encounter did well clip my wings. But the fight continues, the fight for my city. I won't let little something like that come in the way of my duties.
Since when is releasing two insane criminals your duty?
We have a common enemy, and birds of a feather flock together. My real duty is to the people of Gotham now.
You're the mayor.
Just took office this morning, and my approval ratings are off the charts. Especially after people got a look at the real Dark Knight. They finally realized their guardian angel was a false prophet. Not better than any so-called criminal he takes down with what he calls justice. Remember that little drug bust you nailed me with? Broke almost every bone in my body. Wasn't the most pleasant experience, but honestly, I must thank you. Sympathy goes a long way on the road to power. Gotham wants a leader with a face, and I've graciously put mine into the bidding.
You framed me.
I would say it's not personal and it's just business, but we both know better, don't we? Those drugs you seized? Those hired thugs you thought you beat to a bloody pulp? The entire thing.
It wasn't real.
Let's just say there are about 13 very angry bodyguards and image consultants in the hospital, who are all willing to press charges on one man, a Batman. They were all beaten down to the ground as the Batman viciously attacked them before stealing $50,000 at a charity benefit held by yours truly.
No.
Yes, sadly. Our good friend Jarvis Tint Shirley is one talented little fellow. He really does do just about anything for a cup of tea and a little blonde girl named Alice, doesn't he? Well, let's just say your big old mansion isn't as well guarded as you think, Bruce. And pretty soon you'll be nothing more than a forgotten memory, wasting away, locked in a little box. Gotham's most famous son will be Arkham's most infamous inmate. This is only going to help my public image. You love me and they need me. Your family destroyed my Wayne. What my life couldn't win. Now I'll destroy what you have left of yours. You're dead, Papa. Now that you hit it with them. This isn't over.
You're right. It isn't.
If everyone would please stay calm, several patients have escaped. Oh my god.
Ha 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 ha!